Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really colorful nail stamp nail design. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the liquid latex around my nails, and this is a much easier cleanup for me. I don't have to stay forever cleaning around my nails, so I like to do that. Then I just recently bought a whole bunch of nail plates on Amazon. I'm showing you how I take the blue foil off of it, or the blue plastic. And I'm using the Born Pretty L014 nail plate. I got a lot of different nail plates. I'm so excited to show you a lot more designs using plates. Now, as you can see, I'm just randomly putting different colors on my nail plate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and down and then across. That's how I do my blends of color when I'm doing a nail stamp design. And I'm going to apply it onto my nails. This is a different technique. A lot of people like to go, just one way. But I just wanted to show you that you can mix the colors together and give it a fun look. Then I'm going to remove the liquid latex, clean around my nails, and I'm going to apply a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple and something new for you to do with your nail stamp designs. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.